Tonight, a new bill awaiting the president's signature that could help law enforcement better respond to mental health episodes.
Georgia U.S. Senator Jon Ossoff co-sponsored the bill and spent time in Macon today touting the legislation. Ashlyn Webb tells us more about how he says it can help in central Georgia.
This community is no stranger to understanding how mental health services and law enforcement must work fist and glove.
Just in recent months, law enforcement has responded to dozens of mental health calls, some ending in tragedy. Brianna Greer in Hancock County, a standoff in Houston County that ended with a man being shot down by police. And most recently this weekend, where a man towed an AR-15 around a South Bibb neighborhood and reportedly broke into a home before taking his own life.
We find that far too often our first responders are entering situations where someone is in acute mental health crisis, but we haven't equipped our first responders to handle that situation in the way that's as effective and safe for everybody as it can be.
Ossoff's team says the bill would pay to train first responders and create crisis intervention teams responding to mental health calls like these. Ossoff says this will help counties implement Georgia's co-responder law that took effect July 1st. It aims to improve the response and outcome of mental health-related calls by creating teams of cops and behavioral health specialists.
To make sure that when first responders are deployed to handle a situation where someone is in crisis, that they have either on the scene or over the phone or by radio the counsel and guidance of a qualified mental health care professional.
So how much money will be coming into central Georgia? We asked Ossoff. He says it'll vary budget year to budget year based on need and appropriation. He said his office would provide estimates for next year. We have not heard back. Reporting in Macon, Ashlyn Webb, 13 WMAZ News.
The bill also addresses training to help people suffering from PTSD or traumatic brain injury. Senator Ossoff says funding will also go to mental health courts.